Hi, Andy here, the author of the Make Each Click Count book series and host of the Make Each Click Count podcast. Today's AMA tackles something I've been hearing a lot about: AI Max for search campaigns. Supercharge your ads with Google's latest AI tools. Great question. And I've got some honest insights for you, not just fluff from Google's marketing department. Let's dive into what AI Max really means, how it fits into search campaigns, and how you can use it to grow sales without letting the algorithm burn through your budget like it's got a match in a Red Bull. What AI Max really means. So first, let's demystify the term. AI Max isn't a formal Google product. It's a nickname floating around the digital ad world, referring to the maximum use of Google's AI tools across your campaigns. In search, that typically includes smart bidding, broad match, plus AI pairing, responsive search ads, automated recommendations, campaign-level goals and conversions. If you've ever turned on all of these features, congratulations, you've gone full AI Max. Now, do I recommend going full throttle out of the gate? Absolutely not. That's like handing your teen the keys to a Ferrari on day one of driving school. The promise versus the reality. Google tells us that their AI can analyze millions of signals in real time to deliver the perfect ad to the perfect user at the perfect moment. Sounds amazing, right? But let's talk reality. Google's AI is powerful, no question, but it's also optimized for one thing: Google's bottom line. That doesn't mean it can't help you win. It just means you've got to train it carefully. Just like I wrote back in Make Each Click Count 2022, automation without strategy is like fishing without bait. You're leaving everything up to luck. You need to understand the tools, feed the system with quality data, and keep a close eye on performance. Building a strategic AI-powered search campaign. Here's what I recommend if you want to supercharge your search campaigns using AI tools, but without surrendering all control. Step 1. Start with tight ad group structure. Even with responsive search ads and AI-driven matching, you still want tightly themed ad groups. This helps guide Google's AI by signaling relevancy, which improves quality score and keeps your costs in check. Step 2. Use broad match cautiously. Yes, broad match is now smarter. Google claims it understands intent better with AI, but in my experience, it can still go rogue. I recommend pairing broad match keywords with smart bidding strategies like target ROAS or maximize conversions only after you've collected enough conversion data to make those strategies reliable. Step 3. Focus on conversion tracking first. You cannot run AI tools blind. If your conversion tracking is broken, you're handing Google the wrong roadmap. Clean this up before even thinking about smart bidding. I can't stress this enough. Bad data equals bad decisions. Step 4. Feed the AI with winning assets. When creating responsive search ads, make sure you're testing different angles, benefits, pain points, urgency-driven CTAs. The AI will test combinations, but if you feed it weak copy, it'll test garbage. This is still advertising. You've got to give it great material. Step 5. Review the search terms report regularly. Google hides more search term data now, but you still get a peek under the hood. Watch this like a hawk. If you start seeing off-topic or low-intent queries, add negatives and adjust your keyword match types. Don't be afraid to scale back automation if the data says it's not working. Don't blindly accept Google's recommendations. I always tell clients, Google's AI suggestions aren't gospel. Just because the platform flashes a shiny optimization score 98% badge doesn't mean your campaign is actually performing better. One time, I had a client jump from 85% to 99% optimization. Costs doubled, conversions flatlined. What you want is profit, not points. Look at your actual return on ad spend, ROAS, cost per acquisition, CPA, and lifetime customer value. If those numbers aren't going in the right direction, ignore the suggestions. Your campaign is not a game of Candy Crush. When AI Max actually works, I've seen AI-powered search campaigns crush it, when everything lines up. The best results happen when the client has strong historical data, conversion tracking is dialed in, ad copy and offers are tested and optimized, negative keywords are actively managed, and budgets are healthy enough to allow learning. In those cases, AI can outperform manual campaigns, but it's not set it and forget it. It's set it, monitor it, adjust it, then scale it. So, to sum it all up, Google's AI tools can absolutely help supercharge your search campaigns if you apply them with strategy. Use what's working from the Make Each Click Count system. Control what you can, feed Google high-quality data, focus on conversions over clicks, and never stop testing. Don't hand over the steering wheel just because Google put a robot in the passenger seat. Train it to work for you. If you have a question on online advertising or need more tips on e-commerce marketing, let me know on my YouTube channel, within the Make Each Click Count Facebook group, or send me an IM or email at info@makeeachclickcount.com, and I'd love to help. And until next time, happy marketing.